Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive.
Absolutely, always ready to dig into some fascinating tech tips.
Today we're tackling Excel.
Oh, yeah, one of my favorites.
And, we're always on the hunt for those little tricks, those things that can make our lives just a bit easier.
Totally, those hidden gems that turn you into an Excel ninja.
Exactly. And we found one.
We did.
Yeah, in this article we've been looking at, it talks about
Right, yeah.
all sorts of Excel shortcuts.
Uh-huh.
But this one,
This one stood out.
it stood out.
Big time.
So picture this.
Okay.
You're working on this massive spreadsheet,
Huge data set.
tons of formulas,
Numbers everywhere.
and you've just made
The critical change.
a big change.
Yeah.
Like you
Or
updated,
interest rate, maybe?
yeah, or a growth projection or something like that.
Uh-huh.
And now you need to be absolutely sure that every single calculation
Has caught up.
is updated,
Is accurate.
is accurate, yes. But Excel is smart,
It is. It tries to be efficient.
right? It only recalculates what it thinks needs to be recalculated.
So it's not bogging down your system all the time. Yeah.
But what if
it misses something?
it misses something? There's got to be a way to just force it to recalculate everything.
There is, and that's where this shortcut comes in.
Okay, hit me with it.
Control Alt F9.
All at the same time.
All at the same time, boom.
And that forces Excel to,
Recalculate every single formula.
no matter what.
In the entire workbook, top to bottom, no exceptions.
Right. It's a lifesaver.
It's a lifesaver. Think about it. No more worrying, did that number update? Did this cell catch the change?
You just hit those keys
Total peace of mind.
and you know it's accurate.
So when would you actually use this? Give me a real world scenario where this is like clutch.
Okay, so you're putting together a big presentation
Okay.
for your team, for your boss.
High stake.
You've got charts, you've got graphs, you've got summaries, all based on
That massive spreadsheet.
exactly you've been working on.
And you just made a last minute tweak,
Okay.
but you're short on time.
You don't have time to go through every single cell and double check.
Right, so before you hit present,
Control Alt F9.
make sure everything is
Perfect.
perfect, up to date,
And accurate.
and you look like a rock star.
Right. You're not fumbling around. You're not like, oh, wait a second, that number's wrong.
Exactly. Confident, clear, and you can trust your data.
But let's be real.
Uh-oh.
Won't that slow things down, forcing Excel to recalculate a huge workbook?
It can take a little bit longer.
Especially if it's like really complex.
Yeah, lots of formulas, lots of data.
Lots of data
But honestly, for most situations, it's a small price to pay
for that peace of mind.
for knowing your numbers are accurate.
And it's not just for those big presentations either.
No.
The article mentioned that sometimes Excel just gets
A little glitchy.
a little glitchy. Yeah.
Maybe a formula isn't updating right,
Or it's just slow.
or it's just acting up.
Uh-huh.
Control Alt F9,
Can be like
a reset button.
a reset button, get everything back on track.
Exactly.
So it's like a secret weapon
In your Excel arsenal.
for those moments when you just need to be absolutely sure.
100%.
So there you have it, folks. Control Alt F9.
Your new best friend in Excel.
Try it out next time you're working on a spreadsheet. I guarantee you'll be amazed at how much time and stress it can save you.
And who knows, maybe it'll inspire you to dig a little deeper and uncover some other hidden Excel gems. There's a whole world of shortcuts and tricks out there just waiting to be discovered.
See you next time.
So yeah.